CH, SH, TH, NG, PH, WH. What are those letters and how to pronounce them? Let's break it down. My name is Serhi, and on this channel I help people learn English easily. In this video, we'll go through consonant digraphs. For non-native speakers of English language, the pronunciation of most consonant digraphs might be a bit problematic. But we should know which combinations of letters in writing represent a particular sound. So let's get started. The letters C and H together in writing sounds like ch. For example, in words like lunch and chant. So lunch, ch, 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 lunch. Chart, ch, 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 chant. The letters S and H together in writing sound like sh. For example, in words like shed and dish. So shed. SH, 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 shed. Dish. SH, 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 dish. The letters T and H together in writing sound like th, like in the word thunder, and sometimes as the voiceless the in the word clothes. Usually, if the combination th appears at the beginning of the word or after a preposition, article, or verb, it will be likely pronounced as the. This sound is very similar to the sound z, made by letter z, but much softer. However, if the combination th occurs in the middle or at the end of a word, it will be likely pronounced as th. This is something similar to sound s that letter s makes, right? But again, it's much softer and more voiceless. Of course, there are exceptions, and it's not always possible to predict which sound will be used in a specific word. The best way to master this is to listen to native speakers and simply practice pronunciation. So, th as th in words like thunder and bath. So, thunder. Th, 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 thunder. Bath. Th, th, bath. Th as the in words like mother and clothes. So, mother. Th, the mother. Clothes. Th, the clothes. Letters W and H together in writing sound like w. For example, in words like whale and wit. So, whale. W-H, W-H, whale. Wit. W-H, W-H, wit. The letters P and H together in writing sound like f. For example, in words like photo and phone. So, photo. PH, PH, photo. Phone. PH, PH, phone. The sound NG in English is pronounced when the letter N and G come together. And this can happen in the middle or at the end of the word. Here are some general rules for pronouncing the sound ng in English. Number 1. At the end of a word. Usually, when a word ends with ng, this sound is pronounced as ng. For example, sing, song, long, bring. Second, in the middle of a word. Sound ng can also be in the middle of the word after a short vowel sound. For example, in such words like singer, banger, singing. Number 3, in specific cases, there are exceptions where the sound ng might be a part of another sound. For example, in the word finger, ng follows the sound n and is pronounced as part of one sound. It sounds like finger, not like finger. Finger. It's essential to remember that ng is a one sound, not a sequence of two sounds, n and g. So ng as ng in the word song. ng, 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 song. King. ng, 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 king. Guys, let's delve a bit deeper into TH blend and learn to pronounce the sounds th and the correctly. Actually, pronouncing these sounds isn't that difficult. All we need to do is learn to articulate them properly. First of all, form a small tunnel with your lips, like this. Then touch the tips of your tongue, both right and left sides, to upper row of teeth, like this. Then blow air gently without vibrating the vocal cords. And while doing this, pronounce s and z upon exhaling to form the respective sounds. The. And one more time. Form a small tunnel with your lips. Touch the tips of your tongue, both right and left side, to the upper row of your teeth. Then simply blow your air gently, but remember, try not to vibrate the vocal cords. And finally, try to pronounce th, the. To correctly pronounce the blend ng, start by breaking the sound into two parts. Firstly, learn to pronounce the nasal sound correctly. Then, accurately articulate the g sound. To correctly pronounce the nasal sound close the back of your mouth by raising the back of your tongue to touch the soft part of the roof of your mouth, like this. Essentially, to pronounce g sound accurately, imagine as if you are swallowing water and articulating the familiar g sound at the same time. It sounds like this. G, 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 g. Now let's combine these two sounds, the sound of and the sound of g. Ng, ng, ng. I recommend starting slowly and gradually speeding up. It will sound like this with each repetition. Ng, 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 ng. Now, let's practice what we've learned today. So, there will be words appearing on the screen with a timer. You'll have 5 seconds to try to read the word by yourself, and after, we'll read it together. And don't worry if there will be some sounds or letter combinations that you don't know how to read, okay? In this video, please pay attention to the consonant blends. Here we go. Chunk. CH sounds ch. Chunk. Thumb. Here, TH sounds th. Thumb. Thing. NG sounds ng. Thing. Dash. SH sounds sh. Dash. Whisk. WH sounds w. Whisk. Sloth. TH sounds th. Sloth. Graph. PH sounds graph. Rang. NG sounds ng. Rang. Whistle. WH sounds w. Whistle. Guys, please practice consonant digraphs at home and remember, consistency beats talent, which means that regular practice, even if it feels slow and challenging, ultimately leads to greater proficiency and success in learning English. See you soon and wish you luck!